Hello everyone, I'm Dovie and Ubod. I'm from BECED 2I1. So today I'll be doing a book review. So this is the book. So it's entitled Look Inside Your Body. So for the page cover or the cover of the book, I like it because it's colorful and attractive, which catches the attention of children, which is also helpful for them to engage in the book because this book talks about our human body. So on the first page, so how are people all the same? So this part, so it talks about our similarities with other. So we do have different sizes, ages, but we have the same human body. We have hands, nose, eyes, ears, just like with others. So in our family, we have different, we do have different ages and sizes, but all of us are the same because we have the same human body. So this part, so this talks about, so more unlikely on the digestive system. So what happens when you eat? So this one, so your body needs food and water every day. Sometimes you eat just because food tastes good, but eating the right food keeps you healthy. So when you put food into your mouth, your teeth grind it up, then you can swallow the food. It goes down the esophagus to your stomach. Strong juices are sent there from your liver. They change the food some more, then the food travels through your intestines. So this one talks about the process. So the paragraph, so when liquid waste, so in order to remove the liquid waste in our body, we urinate. But when we have a bowel movement, solid waste leave our body. So on this part, talks about the circulatory system. How does your heart works? So an engine gives power to make a car move. Your heart is powerful. It pumps your blood to keep you moving. So this is the process. Blood is carried in thin tubes called arteries and veins. The heart pumps fresh blood into the arteries. As the blood moves through arteries, the oxygen in it gets used up by the body. Blood enters the kidney too. So the blood carries the oxygen, and it also, through arteries, our blood is carried in there. So when our heart pumps fresh blood, so it goes directly to the arteries so that it will be distributed to our body. So an artery, so this one carries fresh blood to the kidneys where vitamins are taken out. The used blood, this will travel or leaves through a vein. Veins carry used blood from all over our body to the heart. So this part talks about the respiratory system. So what happens? So air contains the gas called oxygen. Your body needs oxygen just as much as need food and water. So yes, this is indeed true because we can't live without air. So oxygen is the only kind of gas that we take, or it's like safe for our body because other gases are dangerous for us. So in order to survive, we need food, water, and air, and also a shelter. So this one, you breathe air into your body through your nose and mouth. The air goes down your windpipe to your lungs. Lungs work something like balloons. When you take a deep breath, your lungs get bigger. They fill up with air and make your chest stick out. Your lungs get smaller when you breathe out. Lungs put fresh oxygen into your blood and take out used gases. The fresh blood goes into your heart and is pumped into your arteries. So this part talks about the skeletal and muscular system. So bones and muscles give your body its shape. You can't move without them. Bones are hard parts of our body, and you can feel them under our skin. Muscles are softer. Your bones are connected to them. So bones cannot move by themselves. So the whole set of bones is called skeletal system, or called skeleton. Your skeleton has about 206 bones. So half of the bones are tiny. So half of them are tiny bones in our hands and feet. So bones are hard outside and soft inside. So important parts of your blood are made inside your bones. So that's what we get the red blood cells. So in the muscles, we have 650 muscles. Some muscles move your bones, other muscles help you to swallow, break down food, and breathe. So some muscles, so those are the essential for our digestive system. Yes, so and for breathing. The heart is also a muscle, a very strong one. So moving on, so this is the reproductive system. It's more on like the reproductive system. So this part talks about the differences between the boys and girls. So the main difference is that girls have vulva. It's a tiny hole inside which the girls urinate, while the boys do have penis. So during puberty, so yes, children will go through puberty. So there will be changes in the body, especially for girls. When we hit the puberty stage, our breasts will grow larger, and the boys will grow hair on their chest, and there was some birth also. And boys and girls change inside too. So after all the changes take place, so they are all grown ups. So this part talks about the senses. So we have 5 senses: the sense of sight, hearing, taste, touch or feel, and the sense of smelling. So your eyes see colors and shapes. Your ears hear sounds as loud as a drum or soft as a whisper. You taste food with your tongue. You know if something tastes salty, sweet, or sour, hot, or cold. You touch things with your skin. You can feel if things are soft, hard, scratchy, or sticky. You smell odors with your nose. Flowers smell good, while garbage smells bad. Your brain holds all this information, so our brain holds the information of our senses. It makes sure everything in your body works together. You use your brain, or our brain, to learn and remember things you see and do. It is your own special computer inside your head. So we have reached the last part. So my overall impression of the book is I do like the book. It's really helpful for children because the information there are not so complicated, or the terms are not so complicated, and it can be easily understood by the children. So this book also it it talks about how the human body works, which is really helpful for children for their at, at least, or when they're in home together, they can read this with their parents so that they can be aware how their body works, or they can appreciate their own body. And also the pictures also is also a very helpful visual representation of our body, because through this children will have a most like they will have a visual representation, or it's like they can imagine how things or how body works. And also I do recommend this book to other children or to parents, because yes, this is indeed a very good book which helps children to appreciate their body and also to understand more how body works, or how our human body works, especially the organs, especially how we eat, or how the food we eat go through our stomach, or it's like the whole process. So all in all, so this is a really good book for all the children and parents out there, and also for teachers to help children understand how human body works. So that's all for today, and goodbye.